Theorem 1.3 root 2 is a rational number. Definition: let P be a prime number if P divides a square, then P divides a where a is a positive. Let P be prime number if P divides a square, then P divides a where a is positive. That does assume that contrary that contrary that root 2 is rational. That does assume that the contrary that root 2 is rational number. So we can find integers r and s not equal to 0 such that root 2 is equal to r by s. Suppose the r and s have a common factors other than 1, then we divide by the common factor to get root 2 is a into x by b into root 2 is equal to 8x by b into x, where a and b are the co-primes. X is common factor of a comma b. Therefore, root 2 is equal to a by b. Here x cancel. X cancel. Therefore, root 2 is equal to a by b. Okay. Root 2 is a into x by b into x cancel. Therefore, root 2 is equal to a by b. B root 2 is equal to a, squaring on both sides. B square into 2 is equal to a square. B square is equal to a square by 2. Therefore, 2 divides a square, then 2 divides a 2 divides a square, then 2 divides a. Common definition: let a is equal to 2c. Substitute a is equal to 2c in the equation 1. Okay. Therefore, b square is equal to 2c whole square by 2 is equal to 4c square by 2. 2 ones are so 2 twos are so 2c square. Therefore, b square is equal to 2c square. Therefore, c square is equal to b square by 2. Therefore, c square is equal to b square by 2. 2 divides the a square, then 2 divides b. 2 divides a square, then 2 divides b. Let b is equal to 2d. Let b is equal to 2d. Equation 2 and double stars. From a star and double star, a comma b have at least 2 as cofactor. From star and double star, a comma b have at least 2 as factor. A factors, cofactors, common factors. Okay. A and A star B have at least 2 as the common factors. But this is contradiction. A comma B co-primes here. A comma B co-primes. Therefore, root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is a rational number.